This time, we're checking out Metalmind showing us how to install grinder blades. There are 6 blades stacked on top of each other, and honestly, it's a bit of a mystery how this thing actually works or what it's even for, since the video doesn't go into detail. One thing's for sure, those blades look incredibly sharp and pretty intimidating. It's a good reminder to always stay sharp ourselves and be extra careful when operating any kind of machinery. Safety first, always. Shout out to Metalmind for the footage.